Hey guys, how you doing? It's the afternoon in Burundi right now. This is your boy Bude Unlimited. Welcome to Bude Unlimited YouTube channel. So we're going to the farm, Gihungwe, all the way up there to my farm. So we're gonna go check it out. I have to go pick up some eggs today. So yeah, let's take you guys along and see how it looks like to go all the way over there. This is the airport road. Oh, wakubwa. Alright, now we're going at the farm. And this is the airport right there. It's in Bujumbura International Airport. So yeah, we pick up the first eggs this morning. So now we're going to get a second load. But I didn't shoot the first load, so yeah. Let's go along and let's go check it out. And let's see a little bit of Burundi. You know, see a little bit of Burundi, how it looks like, and how Burundi looks like a little bit. Beautiful Burundi. So it's around 5 right now, 5 p.m. So we're trying to rush because it's kind of little, like maybe 20 minutes away from the city, and then we cannot drive at night, so we have to rush a little bit. So yeah, it's been a long day. I had our visitor today. I had a Burundian traveler, and I had Genga Africa. So it's been a long day. We shoot some little videos and some little interviews here and there, and then so yeah, let's continue the journey. road to the farm. So I want to show you how the road looks like all the way over there. Yes, man. We are now in the yard. Look how beautiful this place looks like. So beautiful. The green. And this is Burundi. This is Burundi. This is Burundi. Welcome to the countryside of Burundi. This is the countryside. That's where everything, all the goods are over here.
Pessoal, é Mauro. Fish, fish.
So, look. Somebody's calling me. Antoine, in this house. Antoine. All right. So we're close to be at the farm in 2-3 seconds. This is actually a tour. It's a farm tour. I'm just trying to give you guys a tour today. I'm gonna give you a little tour. So
Shukia tu hapa mimi wai kwa juu muhimu wai action tafanya.
Wanda minute. Wanda minute. Mimi nitakufuata wewe. Mimi ndio nyuma yako. So yeah, welcome to the Bude's farm, and this is the farm. So the farm is right here. All the way over there. It's our farm. So we got some sunflower here. A little bit of sunflower here. We planted. So yeah, they're getting ready actually. See? So yeah, welcome at the farm, and welcome at the Bude's farm. So thank you for coming. And so thank you, and let's keep watching the videos for more. All right, let me give you guys a farm tour real quick here. This is the farm. Well, to start from the fence right there, that wood. It goes all the way around here. That's the gate, but we have to fix it, make it better. So we are planting some trees here. I'm gonna have to let these guys fix this stuff. For some trees that we are planting. From these trees you can give to chickens. It's like a medicine, something like a medicine somehow. So, and then my sunflower is getting ready too. Check it out. Yeah, getting ready. It's a big one actually. We got trees. We got trees all the way around there, all the way along, all the way. Trees. So that's how it goes. So that's the farm. So that's the house that we have right now. We have a couple hundred chickens in there. That's a new house we're building. That one over there. That's gonna be maybe 5,000 to 6,000 capacity chickens, layers. So that's the house, right? The one day I'm gonna talk about how much I already spent on that house. There's some fence. In the future, we're gonna fix all these wood. We're gonna take all this out, and we're gonna put different stuff with metal, and just fence all this fence all the way around. So the fence ends right there. So that our goal is to have this house chicken right, that new one we are building right now. We're gonna have another one right here. And we're gonna have another. We're gonna have maybe two more, and then so we're gonna have three. We're gonna have 4 chicken houses here. So this is a new house. Maybe in the next video I'm gonna talk about how much we already spent so far. But we're not done. We're still working on it. Yeah. So the land ends right here. Maybe in the future I want to buy this other little piece of land up here. Once everything, start paying back. Then we can add more land. So I'm gonna go in a little bit. All right. So yeah, that's the farm. It's all the way over there. So you got this. That's our bathroom over there. Let me zoom in a little bit. There's like a bathroom there and the shower. So this maze here, and let's take all this stuff off too because it's drying out. But yeah, and right here where we have these trees here, this little piece of little wood thing. That's what we're gonna have to dig out. That's where we're gonna put our water. We have a well machine. We'll be digging water. So that's what we did our measurement. So it goes from here, this one, that one. So all this, that's the point that we're gonna dig the water. We're gonna have like maybe 2 wells. So yeah, all this is the land. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean it up because right now, because we are building this house, after we're done, we're gonna plant some onions here. And some onions and some cabbages and some tomatoes for the workers. See, that's the chicken house, man. So we're building it local for now, and then we'll fix this as we go. I don't want to spend a lot of money on building because right now it's already a lot of money. So, but it's worth it. That's the house that we have, and we have solar panels up there too. And this new one is gonna have solar panels too. Because we don't have government power here, so yeah. So nice how this place looks like, man. Look the mountains. Look all that. Look how beautiful this country is. So we have we got some mango trees here that we planted. There's a mango tree. Mango. More mango. Papaya. It's a worker house for now that we have, but we're gonna have to build a big one for that because we're gonna have more workers. This is our storage for the feed and our feed, and then that's where we put our chicken, our eggs for now. So that's the room here. That's where they stay in. That's some of the eggs here. So, but they'll bring more eggs in a minute. So that's papaya here, and this one's getting there. Papaya. And then we got some cassava, we got some sunflower here too. Look how beautiful that thing looks like. So, and we have the sugar cane that we planted here. This is now for me. It's for workers. They're just planting stuff and then, so tree here. Tree that we planted. When I bought this land, they didn't have nothing. So now we are trying to plant more trees and all that stuff. So cassava. This is the gate that I showed you guys before. We are going to fix it. Watch this view here. Well, it's not small land. It's a good size for now. Let me show you guys the beauty of this country. The house is right there. And guess what? Yeah, that's all. I'll show you guys more eggs, and then that's a tour so far for the farm, you know. We have our water tank there. I have workers working up there. We got beautiful mountains everywhere. We got that house. We'll build 2 more houses there. One is gonna be on the corner over there. We're gonna have another one here. Maybe 2 or 3 houses here. So for the chickens, we have 3 more houses to go in the future. And then from there we're gonna move to other stuff. So this is the chicken farm, and then I'll show you the pig farm. Just showing you guys a tour, then I'm gonna give you guys the number of that house, how much it cost us to build it, and how far we are right now. So all right, Let me show you guys somewhere else. Eddie. Eddie. Unafanya saje? Mshaitoa yote? Mshaitoa?
Mayai yako mapalete zingine. Yaani nikipanga hizi ndogo hizi.
Ulisema hizi mavia ya mbu ya ngo yani ya kodisha kwa toni moja. Kungapi? Okay. Okay. I'm asking them about the chicken stuff. And they look beautiful, man. Can't wait for more chickens. Can't wait to put more chickens in and more things in. I can't wait. Man, they look good. Wow, 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 wow. Alright, let me show you guys some eggs. It's pretty dark in here, so I can't show you guys how this looks like. Yeah.
Manake zetu tunapanga tupange kwa huko.
Sasa ndio tunataka ziwe kesho hizi.
Hizi msiba sizigusi. Yaani zile sava na hizi hapa.
Lakini hizi palete zingali?
Palete zingali. Ndio hizi hapa.
Tupate sisi zilikuwa kwa sekanti. Sa. Zingine zingali kunyumba.
Kule ni 40. Yaani kule tulipata zile saba ziko kule kwa watu wa 2 mwezi kwa kule. Sasa tunapatia chakula.
Shari tugende.
Ugende?
Tugende turanguja w'impa kirika.
Emu yari hariya namubonye.
Tugende rero tatavayo.
All right, it's time to go home. Kuna sing me. Okay. Mpatie mzee Tindo usikimia na madawa. So these are the eggs that we got. This is the round 2 eggs. So the round 1 we already sold them, so this is round 2. So yeah. Sani good.
So,
Welcome.
eh.
Amahoro yao, boss. Mbosi wanje.
Mbosi wa. Ashuni sawa naona kama kia yagwiriye kora mutaura mutsa.
Amagi ave menshi cyane.
Ule jamaa alipima kuanzia pale. Ngo ni kuanzia kule. Kwenda huku kufika pale.
Kule sio kwake. Mimi kwa nataka somba kinsa zishaenda.
Kufika kule.
Mbio. Me, I want to eat some cassava today. So I'm trying to tell these people, you know, when you live at the farm, you get some cassava too at the same time. So this is just a quick video. Mzee Tindo. Yuko mkuku. Kutaka nipatie sombe haraka haraka. Mimi vitu ya sombe napenda kula. Kutaka tuone na sombe kunyumba.
Sombe.
Simpona kakamba hapa. Hizi bila zinaenda foza kwa zinapika mayai.
Ya mwanga mayai. Angalia.
So I want to eat some cassava today, so I'm trying to see if my guys can give me some cassava leaves here. Mzee Tindo, ndani nisaidie so mimi naweza kupata kwa ile.
Sasa hivi.
Inawezekana?
Za mingi.
Hapana, sasa mingi sana za kawaida tu. Tuvonere igiki. Isombe. My guy and this lady are helping me to get some cassava leaves so I can eat some sombe today. We call it sombe. Didn't even pick some too. So you guys know I know how to do it. so you guys don't think that I just. Funga na mabawa Ibra. Funga na bila mabawa itakuwa unafanya kazi bure. The fly farm. It's all farm. We have a lot of stuff actually. Yeah, the farm. We have no, I'm throwing in there. We have these at the farm. This is all at the farm we planted. And it's all organic, so some pumpkin. It's all organic, we don't spray anything on it. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe and you share to others. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the day and thank you for watching. So now it's time to go home. We gotta start driving back because it's getting late. So, okay. Hata zingine.
Pia kamba
Alright, gotta go. Time is moving. Antonio, mimi mtoto wa pori, napenda kali majani.
Hii ni sawa. Wewe unaona hivi tunanenepa kwa ajili ya hivi. Na marengarenga. Nyota. Hapa tunakula
marenga. Sio kirinyota ya kila siku.
Kirinyota mimi nishapata.
Wapi hivi? Na mata wa hivi.
Mata ndaya.
Ikieri.
Kieri nisharehe.
Wa hivi.
Sawa. Patikani kieri.
Kieri ni 5000.
Kieri ni 5000. Amsteri ni 10000. Amsteri ni 10000.
Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.